Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetarian taco filling. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need black beans, corn, and bell peppers. Start by dicing 1 medium onion and 2 colorful bell peppers into small, manageable pieces. Then, drain and thoroughly rinse 2 15-ounce cans of black beans. This ensures a fresh taste and removes excess sodium. These foundational steps are quick and easy, setting us up for a delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your diced onions and bell peppers, sautéing them for 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender and slightly caramelized. This step builds a flavorful base for our tacos. Next, stir in 1 cup of frozen corn, cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's heated through. The vibrant colors and textures are already coming together beautifully. Time to add some amazing flavor. Stir in 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and a half teaspoon of smoked paprika for a rich, authentic taste. Then, add your rinsed black beans to the skillet along with 1/4 cup of water or vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, letting it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. This allows all the spices to meld together, creating a deeply satisfying filling. Your delicious vegetarian taco filling is now ready. Spoon the warm mixture into your favorite tortillas, whether they're soft flour or crispy corn. Customize your tacos with fresh toppings like chopped cilantro, diced avocado, a dollop of sour cream, or a bright squeeze of lime juice. This easy method delivers incredible flavor and is perfect for a quick weeknight meal. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below. Enjoy your amazing homemade tacos.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.